Right, so now we're going to have a look at how we actually manage our data. So let's have a look at this one here now. This is a grey heron. So you have one call here, not very loud, it's coming in. It gets louder here, so that's two calls, and then in the third call it gets a little bit quieter as it's going south. So if you come down here, there's no more from this bird, so you know that that's a single bird passing on its way south. So to record this, I've made up a simple Excel sheet. Right, so we'll start off with the date. We'll put it down as the 31st of the 1st, 21. For your species, grey heron. Number, so this is the number of individuals, 1. Number of calls, 3. And the reason you have number of calls and number of individuals is because sometimes it's difficult to estimate the number of individuals, but it's possible to count all of the calls, and using this then you can go back afterwards and make an estimate of the number of individuals that were involved. So in the comments section, if you're unsure of the ID or something like that, you can write down possible, so you can come back and have a closer look at that another time. So these three parts here refer to the time. This is my own way of recording the time of an event. So what you do is, when you record a file, each file comes with a timestamp. So imagine you have, let's say, 10 hours worth of Nocmig audio to go through. That'll usually be split up into 3 or 4 files, and in each file it'll tell you when it started to record. So let's say, for argument's sake, that this file that we're working from now started to record at 9 o'clock. We'll put in 9 o'clock for your segment. Okay, so we'll look here, 2 minutes. So this here now is more or less 2 minutes. Okay, so if we're recording this now, we'll say 2 minutes in the time section. So 0002 for 2 minutes. And we'll just make up a little simple formula here. Equals, you get a bracket here, click this, plus, click this, close it off, and hit enter. So now we have our time. So in theory, this bird passed at 2 minutes past 9. Okay, so I'll show you one of my actual working folders from last autumn, just to give you a look at things. So this is from Bic in Catalonia. Some really busy nights, lots of birds passing through. So as you can see here, here's my segment 0041. This is the time that this segment started recording. So we have a number of birds recorded here, and then what I'm doing is I'm just popping in the time, and all you have to do once you put in your formula once, if you just click a box, click the corner and drag it down, it'll automatically compute the actual time for you. So that's the way I do things, and that's it for now.